Hey Tate, so we ready to go outside into the blizzard?
Yeah.
Okay, open the door up. Can you open it? Pull. Hard. Wow.
What?
Man.
You can't go out here.
Go for it. Just jump out there. We got to get out there and we'll dig ourselves out. Whoo-wee. Man. Awesome.
I think we go to slide.
Get all this snow.
Whoa. Whoa. Snow.
It's snowing right now.
Here.
Yeah. Are we going to be able to get out of here?
No.
Woo-wee.
Ooh.
It's really coming down. Here, I'm going to go out here and take some pictures. I'm stepping in the snow real deep. But right here, it's not too bad. Let's take a look at Tate back there. Hey Tate. Take a look outside. Check this out. I don't know why all the snow is right on in front of our apartment. You just wait right there. How you doing?
Fine, you?
Pretty good.